Alright guys, it's September and you're probably wondering, can you go on a boat tour? Is it going to rain all month? Where can you go if you can go? You're going to find all of that and more in this video once Jay is sitting here.
Come in.
Hi there guys, Shaun here from 5 Star Marine with Mr. Jay.
Hi Shaun, we're on the couch.
Jay, this is our cancelling session, but we've turned it into a video shoot.
I'm feeling quite excited.
What did he say?
I've seen this.
Why have we got our
couch featured in some other...
I'm a bit worried why we have our pillows over our laps. That's the kind of thing you do when you're feeling
Weird
aroused.
sitting down.
It does, doesn't it? Why are we up here?
We're talking about September
Oh!
because obviously September is statistically the wettest month of the year in Phuket. Did you
Is
know
it?
that?
Green Day, September ends.
Yes.
Okay, good, that's one song. Tick!
So in the wet season, people are going to be asking Jay. First question, I will ask them to you.
No, surely you said the title of this video was What's Open in September.
Yeah, but
So
I
I'm
think
going to go straight into it.
I think we should start with, does it rain every day, all day in September?
Yes. No, you don't want to say that?
I don't
Okay.
believe that.
No, it doesn't.
When it rains in Phuket, it really rains, but that doesn't mean that it's going to rain all day.
Is
every
September
day.
really the wettest month?
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah,
Statistically in Phuket or around the world?
statistically in Phuket.
If we keep seeing us looking down, it's because our Mischief 5-star dog's here and she's licking our feet.
Anyway, so
Yes.
it does rain, it is wet, but it's not wet every single day. You will see in the news, Jay's going to do some kind of breaking news. We flooded again.
When?
Actually, pretty much, if you look through our YouTube, every September we do it, it's flooded video.
It flooded in the second to last week of August. I'm not sure when this is. It's coming out next week,
Yeah.
is it? Okay, that's fine. Well, it flooded a little while ago, but it's all flash flooded. So generally what happens in Phuket is you get what's called flash flooding because there's a huge downpour because we live in the tropics. You get big drops of big drops of rain, aren't they, Shaun? They're big drops.
No, it rains. When
Yeah.
it rains, it really
It's not
rains.
like that misty rain you get in Europe.
No.
You know, it's proper big, fat rain.
It's walk
fat rain.
outside, you're wet, and then walk back.
It's rain that should go on The Biggest Loser. Oh, I watched a Netflix series about The Biggest Loser. Do you know what people moan about going on that, saying, oh, they didn't, they
As
didn't.
somebody who works behind the scenes in reality TV.
No, I know. And because we have, and we'll talk, actually, there's a new video coming out, you should watch that about Road to Millions, really good one. But anyway, it was very interesting how they did it. And then
We can't get decide. So is it going to rain? Yes, it probably will rain. Will it rain every day? No, it won't rain every day.
And if it does flood a little bit, the roads flood, but then it disperses within an hour or two. It just comes down in such a big amount in one go, and Phuket's drainage isn't really set up for that huge amount of rain in one go.
And I think the other thing is that if you are travelling in September, you know it's wet season, so you can plan your holiday around knowing that maybe you're going to have 1 or 2 days where it's a hotel day, it's a
Hey, I've got another one.
shopping day.
Earth, Wind and Fire, September. You can put it up there, look Miguel, we've got a green screen up for you so you can put stuff up there.
So let's start with what's closed. in
No, because you
September.
said what's open.
Yes, but we should say what is closed.
Okay, what's closed in September, Shaun?
Similan is closed.
Yes! Well done.
Maya Bay is closed.
Maya Bay is closed for the whole of September, but only when we say Maya Bay, we only mean Maya Bay Beach, not the whole bay. You can still go up to it to the front side and you get a nice little picture, like this one, look, up there. Nice little picture from the front side, but you can't physically go on the beach.
And these locations of PP are all visitable things.
Visitable.
Things like Pile Lagoon, Viking Cave, PP Don. You can still snorkel.
One long.
No, not long. In September, normally no.
Bamboo.
Bamboo can, yes.
Yeah. Camel Rock.
If you are traveling in Phuket in September, probably 2 top recommended tours from me would be Phang Nga Bay
Yes.
and Hong Krabi.
Yes.
Both locations are protected in terms of the wind.
Yes.
So even if we do have a bit of a windy day, we can still get out there and you can still have a good time. Hong Krabi is also the same, protected. Both locations are more sightseeing, kind of swimming, exploring locations than they are full-on snorkeling locations.
You can snorkel at Hong Krabi. It's
You
not
can.
the greatest,
Yes.
but you can still. And the good thing about Hong Krabi, it has that tropical beach feel that you get down in PP, but it's in Phang Nga Bay,
Yes.
which is very cool. That's why, and it's got a great viewpoint. I
And
love Hong
that is
Krabi,
quite nice.
and the coffee's really good there.
Yeah, no, I don't disagree. I think both locations are great locations to visit that time of year. If you are looking for more hardcore snorkeling, then PP and Raya, but contact us to choose the correct day. So in terms of talking about what's open.
Yeah,
okay,
what's open, Shaun?
Raya is open, or also known as Rasha.
Or Raya.
Maiton, Coral, Kai.
Maiton's good because you can actually snorkel both sides of Maiton, so if the wind direction is not quite right, it's a bit bumpy on one side, you go to the back side, and if the back side's a little bit tight, you go to the front side.
Yes. Then Phang open, James Bond open, Hong Krabi open, Krabi itself, the islands of Krabi is open, so things like Kot Gai, Rayleigh Beach are open.
Riley Beach, mate.
What I would say though is like destinations that are quite some travel time, I wouldn't recommend in September. So even though Koh Ha and Koh Rock are visitable, I wouldn't recommend going to them.
I thought they're closed.
Oh, I think that they're visitable.
Are they?
Yeah, like there's
I
been
wouldn't
no,
go there this time of year.
There's been no official announcement. This is the problem, you know.
What we're worried about if you go further out is the waves. It's not so much the rain. Rain you get a little bit wet, that's fine. But it's the waves. And what happens is if you go past down by the bottom of Phuket, it opens up. And then you get more of a swell because wind actually makes waves. You didn't know that? There you go.
And
Back
if
for
you're
you.
visiting in September, you should keep up to date with our weather updates that we post every weekend.
Only the ones that Shaun do, don't do the ones that I do because
on the weekend we're trying to give you an idea of what the coming week looks like. And then on top of that, if we see like flash storm warnings or things like that, we would get on YouTube and let you know.
that's right.
I would say if you are looking to do a tour and you are family, then stay in close or go into the bay. So Coral Kai, Maiton, Phang Na, Hong Krabi, okay, these are family friendly. I do have some concern of September going to PP. Yes, it's possible. Yes, we do go. Yes, we do operate tours there, but it's got to be on the right day.
And look, we're not scaring you some days in September. It's beautiful, it's stunning,
Yeah,
it's gorgeous,
calm,
it's great.
Yeah.
But the thing is, it's very unpredictable. So as Shaun said, the best thing to do is just if you are booking a tour for September, just drop a little message.
And the very cool part is
Cool
that
part.
August, September is where we start to see the more colourful bioluminescence.
Ooh.
I don't know if you've seen the photos and videos been coming through, but we've been seeing the blue bioluminescence out in the bay.
Blue.
Blue, yeah, because if you didn't know, there's three types of bioluminescence. We have green, we have blue, and we have white. White we see all year round. Green and blue are seasonal. And we've been seeing the blue. There's a really cool photo the other day of the boat going through the bioluminescence and the blue was coming out.
Can we go put it up there?
Yeah, it's there.
There you go. Hey, guess what? Blue were in Bangkok as well.
I saw that.
Did you go up there?
Yeah, I was in Bangkok.
Did you go and see Blue? Is that why I was in Bangkok? You went to see Blue?
No.
And not Blue da da dee da dee da, it's Blue, all rise, that song Blue.
If you have a question about what's open or a question about the weather, you feel free to drop a comment on this video.
Yes, and Shaun will reply.
And Jay is
What?
doing quite frequent YouTube shorts
Am
about
I?
the weather and
Am I?
stories, right?
Yes, I
I've been
am.
watching notifications coming up, so...
Really?
Yeah.
I must be doing something right then. I can't remember what we shot so much recently. Oh, and if you do want a boat and you're not coming in September, you're coming in high season, book now because we are running out of boats.
And do note that from our prediction for October is generally improving conditions. We generally start to see improving condition in October. First week or so of October, a little bit wet.
And Maya Bay opens on the 1st of October. I'll
Yes.
go there. Shall I go there?
Yeah, I'll see the opening.
Yes.
Oh, and we have we're doing a beach clean in October, right?
October 12th, we're doing Shaun's birthday bash. He's 56, and we're doing a beach clean down to, I think we're going to go to Ratcha.
Okay.
I think, if the weather's okay.
That's it, guys. Like, subscribe, comment.
Yes. Yes.
Hey, darling.
She's
We put her
sleeping.
to sleep. That's how boring we are.
I know.
Normally she doesn't sleep.
Yeah. Oh, must have been a very boring video. Anyway, no bloopers.
No, we did good.
Yeah, well done. Right, I'll go get up and turn it off then. You get back on your phone. We look like we're not sure how gay this is. How gay is it?
Pretty gay.
Is it pretty gay?
Yeah.
We can keep going. I don't mind being gay today. No, you're okay? Just checking.